Hello beautiful people, back again with another live stream. So yeah, I'm doing really well lately with my trading. So say if we look at funding pips. So yeah, so obviously I'm on phase 2 now of the account. Last night I actually did end up trading. I ended up taking a trade at about, I ended up taking 2 trades. So now I've only got, so I've got a week. Yeah. So I made 2% last night, which is freaking awesome because that means I've only got 3% left. So if I can get lucky with 3 trades in a row, then we're laughing and then I'm funded again. So how good is that? And that's with my new way I trade. So yeah, super stoked about that. But yeah, so let's look at the chart tonight, right? So we'll go, okay, so let's look at the 4 hour. Let's mark some support and resistance. So obviously that's support and resistance. Let's look more closer to where we're at, right? There's something right here, right? Something like that. Looks like we're popping through it. So I'm bullish on that 4 hour, bullish on that hourly, even though we're hitting resistance, right? Looks like we're popping straight through it. 30 minutes looking good. We've got the support and resistance area right here. You know, if it comes down here, I'll probably look for a buy still. 15 minute, price comes up, bang. So yeah, buys for tonight so far, right? Things can change. We are 8 minutes into the trading session. So that's good. So now looking at about, you know, pretty much now I can start looking for trades because from all my back testing and stuff too, I've got to look at, making sure that I don't enter too early. Because if I enter too early, like 10 minutes, within 10 minutes of the opening, I just get wrecked a lot more often. Like I want high probability, I want to make money. So yeah, the win rate's really, really good at the moment. So we're killing it. So yeah, it feels really good and it's really paying off. That bang, I've had like, so if we go back, dashboard. So back, dashboard. So this one was, so it only took me 6 days to pass phase 1. Let's look at dashboard. 6 days to pass phase 1, which is 8%. So in basically a week I made 8%, which is freaking awesome. And then when we go to practitioner, which is step 2, I only need 3 more percent, and I made 2% last night. And that was me rocking up late to the chart because I had to get my internet sorted. And yeah, very glad that I still jumped on and took some trades anyway at about 7 o'clock onwards ish. Australian time, right? Analytics, stream health. Live chat. Chat replay. Save. Cool. So yeah, obviously if you're watching this trading session replay, we'll just wait patiently for our next trade setup. Seeing some kind of support and resistance zone here as well. So maybe I might look to buy around here, maybe. Right, it's a maybe. Alright guys, I'm just going to turn off the camera for a bit and I'm going to do stuff while I'm waiting for a trade. Perfect. One second. Just 1 second. Just loading something up. Cool, alright, let's do that. Sort of display capture. Yep, that's good. Alright, I might play some rain music or something, hey? 1 second. Might do a little bit of rain noise or something, just something to, so it's not just blank noise. Just going to turn off my mic for a little bit, just until I can see a trade setup form. Thank you. So obviously, if you're watching this video replay back or you're watching it live now, any advice in terms of like what to listen to in the background? It's pretty hard with music. It all gets copyright striked straight off the bat. I guess another thing is to, yeah, trading. You need a lot of patience and. Turn off this rain for a second, it's distracting me. Yeah, I forgot my train of thought anyway, but yeah, I might just keep it silent for a bit and just, yeah, play your own music if you want to in the background. If you're watching this, I'm just trying to learn how to trade, right? Yeah, I'm here, Podcasty. How you doing, man? How you doing, brother? Just waiting patiently for this trade. It's doing well so far on phase 2. I smashed phase 1, it was so good, man. Yeah, so weird, it doesn't even show anyone's joined or everyone's seen. Views, chat rate, no. Just waiting for an entry. Just 1-to-1, but as you can see, even just 1-to-1 it's good for psychology, right? As you can see, that this has been my last week of trading. Fucking killed it. Made about 8% over the last week, and that's just 1-to-1. And it's only like a 60% win rate as well. Like, it doesn't matter. Hey TJ, how you going, man? You guys trading DAX tonight as well? Well, it's been hard because with trading, it can seem very, very simple, like a strategy. Basically, the strategy is 1-to-1, double tops, double bottoms. Yeah, awesome. So, 1-to-1, double tops, double bottoms, and VWAP, like entering off the VWAPs. Basically, it's just double tops, double bottoms, entering off the VWAP, but try and get it in conjunction with other stuff, right? Like support and resistance, everything else. Fibonacci is good too, if you can tell it's like 50% of a leg. It's good market timing. In terms of passing any funded challenges, yep, definitely have. Like, say you even look at my, hang on, let's have a look here. Oh, so I've gotten a few payouts too. Like even if you look at my, hang on. Yeah, so say if you look at my YouTube channel, see up here? So I've gotten profit splits and stuff before. That was $1,000 from my Forex funds before they went down. I also made it on the leaderboards of funding pips as well. I like to show that, but that was all trading photon trading strategy, right? Which I find is kind of shit because, you know, I might make like 50%. Oh yeah, true, it does look a bit dim actually. It looks very bright on my end when I'm actually looking at it, but hang on, I might try this. Hang on, let's do this. Hang on, I'm gonna change screen. No. Hang on, it still looks dim on that. Hang on, 1 second. I'm going to change the display capture to different screen. Hang on, we'll go. Let's try this. Asus ROG. Okay, that looks good. Anyway, I'm going to focus because price is in an area where I'm interested to buy. So I'll just focus. I won't be looking at the chat right now for a moment. Seconds. So yeah, I've been trading about 3 years, right? So one thing you'll probably notice is with people that are profitable, yeah, not anymore, man. Photon, yeah, not enough trades in a year. See, this looks like a good time to buy. Like, see how there's like support turns resistance. We've got good market structure leading towards the upside. Right now I'm just looking at price action, just seeing if I want to take a buy from this point. I don't want to get too cocky because my win rate has been super high lately and it's been so easy passing these challenges. I just, yeah, I'll keep just focusing really hard and is this video really delayed for this? Like, are you guys looking at the DAX chart as well and noticing it's really delayed? I don't know if that's live. Yeah. Okay, yep. So I'm looking to buy at the end of this candle close. I'm looking to buy if it holds strong, because that looks strong, right? That looks good, really good. Almost tempted to just put a market on that right now, but yeah, let's be patient. Depends how this candle closes, right? If it closes strong, I'll take a buy. If it closes weak, yeah, not looking strong. So you got about 3 seconds to close strong for me to be convinced to take a buy. Yep, okay, I'll take a buy on that. Let's go. Are we still at a $50 stop loss? Yep, okay. Take profit, we'll go $50. 50 bucks, let's go. Okay, solid start, let's go, solid start. So, in my opinion, Podcasty, ICT, you know, he doesn't do any live trading, right? I was getting full into the fair value gaps and stuff like that. I don't know if I believe ICT anymore, but I found my own strategy that works for me, so I'm really happy right now. Yeah, that sucks. It sucks it's delayed. Oh well, at least yeah, at least if you're watching this, you're kind of getting some idea on how I'm trading. But you can see why I entered this trade, right? Like, looking at structure, obviously we're bullish. Support turns resistance. Strong candle closes towards the upside, like you can see a good bullish reaction. If we're looking at Fibonacci, right, you're looking at 50 to 618, so we've got good market timing. you know, it's very basic, but all you need is a, 60% win rate. And I've been winning every day. Like, it's great. Just trying to find my, finding pips, yeah. Yeah, it sucks that it's so delayed. I got fucking slipped pretty hard on that. Just be patient. If it wins, it wins. If it loses, it loses. But more times often than not, I win. Yeah, for sure, man. So, in terms of my journey, I've probably lost over 100 grand learning how to trade right. I've bought that many courses, and then I got full into SMC, and then I got into photon trading for like 6 months to a year, just hardcore back testing and studying. And eventually now I managed to gather the discipline to do lots of back testing. It's pretty hard, like having the self-discipline to go on FX Replay and just back test heaps. And that's kind of why I do the YouTube videos. But yeah, so about 3 to 4 years of trading, done like tons of courses, just like financially been smashed. And just, lost heaps of money. I lost probably like 60 grand my first year of trading, because I made 30 grand and then I lost it all. And then I bought a bunch of courses after I got deep into it, lost heaps of money, bought more courses, and then until I eventually found this Australian prop firm that I paid for a course. And his strategy is actually a bit different, but after incorporating quite a few things that he's taught me, I've noticed when I was backtesting that on the 1 minute chart it worked out really well. So I'm kind of trading his strategy, but I'm not. He's very basic technical analysis, like double tops, double bottoms, support and resistance, just really basic shit. But yeah, I've noticed that it actually works. Like, even if I just show you, with my back testing, right? That's why I'm starting with a 5k account and then going to like a 10k, 20k. I'm trying to prove it to myself after back testing, right? Because you can back test the strategy, but unless you practice it in the live market, you're not going to know. So far, I've only been trading 7 or 8 days live with this strategy, and every single day I've been profitable. Like one day was break even, basically. Every single other day I've been profitable. Within 6 days I've been profitable every single day. And then obviously, last night making 2%, that's just unreal, right? Because with Photon, it was like you'd barely get 5 trades a month. Like, it was shit. Yeah. Let's just have a look at this chart. Because if I see another reason to enter, I'll enter again and add to the trade. Because I'm feeling pretty ballsy because I'm 2% up on the phase 2 account, and I've been doing so well lately. Yeah, that's it. Like, how long have you been trading, TJ? So I entered here, but I got slipped. So I'm actually looking up here somewhere. Shit. But I'm happy to hold on to that. Like that. And off we go. Yeah, that's shit. Yeah. Too long in the market, man. But now I'm starting to win. That's the thing. You just got to keep going. You just got to keep losing money. keep losing challenges, just get fucking smashed until you manage to earn enough discipline to actually find a profitable strategy, buy enough courses until you've found something. Fortunately for me, I've made a Chimera and you know it's working for me right now anyway. But yeah, I could always go back to Photon, but it's shit for now. So technically, if I was backtesting, this would have been my entry anyway. Look at that. No, I'm Australian actually. I don't know if it's just... It's probably like super delayed when I answer your questions, which sucks. Oh. This trade's fucking around a little bit. Yeah, so that sounds like my journey, TJ Trades. But I finally found something that I think's actually working more better than I actually hoped. It's actually way better than what I hoped. Because the trade frequency is so high. Like I get multiple trades per night, and most of the time I win more often than not. And that's why I'm so ballsy, like live streaming it, because I don't give a fuck. It's so good. I'm so confident. Yeah, man, don't even trade live. That's my what I am going to do is I am going to make a course, but I just want to get 100k funding before I do, because it's so easy for me to do all this backtesting and shit. Oh, thanks, man. It's so easy for me to do all this backtesting and shit. But unless I prove it live streaming on the live market that I can trade profitably, I don't want to be like a guru, right? I want to make a course, I want to teach people one-on-ones, but I want to do it properly. I want to prove that it's profitable on the live market. But also, yeah. And what I'll probably do is as well, I'll probably do more backtesting sessions through FX Replay. Where is it? I had it open earlier. Strat DAX packs. Now let's just look back at the chart and see what's happening. So my mind's a little bit scattered here because that's another buy for me, to be honest. Like if I was going to trade, I'd take another buy right here. Like I see like a double bottom there and then break the neckline. So for me that'd be like another entry. I'd actually buy that the way I trade, something like that. Just because right now I'm so yeah. Sorry, my mind kind of gets all fluffy as soon as you get into trade, eh? Let's go back to the live stream chat. I actually deleted Instagram. Like, I actually completely got rid of my Instagram account. I might even make a new one. Yeah, good question. So, to be honest, I don't know if I should shill him out, because just like with Photon, I was shilling Photon, like saying Photon's the best, join Photon, spend all this money on Photon, and then people were having the same problems as me, right? So right now with this mentor, it's too early for me to be like, join this guy, learn from him, because he doesn't even trade the way I trade either. But I guess, yeah, I've got to have a chat with him anyway, but I just don't know if I should be shilling him out yet. Like, until I pass like 100k funded challenge, either I'll start my own course or just keep shilling him out. Like, I don't know. But yeah, I just don't want to share too much about him yet, because yeah, he doesn't exactly trade the way I trade. And yeah, I just want to make sure the way I trade, I'm actually, 100k plus funded. I want to prove it first before I start talking about like trying to get other people involved with what I'm learning. Right. Even though backtesting, it's amazing, right? But basically, like, big hints of what I'm doing is I'm mainly looking at structure. Like, are we looking for buys or are we looking for sells right now? Like, looking at price action right now, does that look like a selling environment? No, it's going up, right? And it's going to just continue to go up. And then same thing with the hourly. Does that look like a selling environment or does it look like a buying environment? Right, that's a buying environment. Okay, so now we're looking at, like, say we were watching the candles. Where would you buy? Well, I want to buy in a place where I've got good market timing. Right, I want to buy in a place where I've got good market timing. Where's a place where I have good market timing? About 50% a leg. That's a pretty good place. And when would you buy? You'd see when there's a good reaction, right? So what we need is a good reaction to look for a buy. That's basically, in a nutshell. Yeah, so I'm not a full-time trader yet. So I still work. Yes, I am. I'm married as well. So I work full-time as a tradie, right? So I'm actually an electrician, but I'm obsessed with trading, and yeah, my goal is to get just keep scaling up, just keep grinding until it's, until I'm making over 20 grand a month. Like, I want 100 grand in the bank before I quit my job. Like, I want to make sure that if I have a shit month or a shit couple of months, that I'm going to be able to provide for my family, because I've got a shitload worth of bills, right? But because I've gotten so many payouts and stuff, like, my wife believes in me, and I've worked so hard for this, so I'm getting there. Like, I feel like I've got a profitable strategy now, like, ready to go. I just need to prove it to myself by just keep passing account challenges, get more payouts. Yeah, go bigger and bigger, make more and more money. But it's good side income, right? Even for the next, 6 months while building up my capital, it's good side income. Let's just watch the chart for a bit. Almost there, boys. Almost there. Woo! Simple as that. Look at that. Another 1%. Let's go. Bang. Maybe should have held that, but simple as that, boys. Let's be patient and wait for the next one. Let's update that. What do we got left for our target? So right now our target is a piece of shit load. Yeah, it's not loading. No, this shit's loading. Piece of crap. Oh well. We just wait for the next trade. I'll go. Only 2 more percent. Or until funding. Only 2% more until I'm funded with this account. Let's go. Yeah, exactly. I learned a lot about market structure from Photon. Like, I don't think Photon's that I think it's shit, but I think it's still profitable. Like, I show this all the time, right? I did back testing for about, I think, how long was it? From January till November, and I made 50% on the account on my back testing. That's doing London session only. I do London session only because I work full time and I want to get 8 hours sleep. Right? London session only. I think it would work if you're staring at the chart for 10 hours a day and you're doing multiple pairs maybe. Right? But then like say my July only, I did 3 weeks. Got trades every single night. Made 30%, right? Trades every single night. Like, okay, say I make only 5 or 10% in a month, that's alright. I get trades every single night. You know, it's fucking London session and only have to trade 1 pair. It's way better. Way better. But, you know, it's just... Let's see how we go. Right, where were we? Funding pips. It's not updated yet. Boom, okay. $90 and then we win. And then we're funded on this account. $90, let's go. The last stream. Yeah, see? This is why I'm live streaming this shit too, because I backtested the shit out of my strategy and I've only been live trading it for about, what, 8 days, 7 days, and every single night I've been making profits. So fucking good. To me, it just, every day I keep surprising myself, right? I get shocked after so long of just losing money. It feels so good to win all the time. It's fucking amazing. But yeah, like this isn't a 100k account yet. Like this isn't 200, 400k yet. So I can't be shilling who I'm learning from, and I can't be like selling a course until, you know, until I'm ready, until I'm like a big time trader, right? But I'm doing good enough now that I can justify doing live streaming. I'm doing good enough now that I can justify, you know, live trading and actually be confident in what I'm doing. And that is a big stepping stone for me. Like, yeah, big stepping stone. To be honest, I probably should be trading bigger, but right now I just want to keep proving my edge to myself. Yeah. So we took this trade here, which was meant to be entry here to here, which basically was 1.5 to 1, but we got spread and all that bullshit, which dropped it to about there, 1 to 1. But yeah, let's just watch the chart for a bit, I reckon. So we entered there. Boom. could make that smaller. Go week. Looking good, 3% up, let's go. So that was another entry right here. I would call that like a double bottom and then break at the neckline. Enter. So there was an entry here, there was an entry here. For me, anyway. With my back testing all that. See, look, this just looks like buys to me. Buy as much as I can. Feels good. Like winning. Great. Should have really entered here and then entered again when I saw the signal, but I just, yeah. What's the other thing? But this is great. I've got another 2 hours left to just make 2%. So just 2 more solid trades and then funded. Boom. Maybe. I'm just talking shit now, but. Alright guys, I'm just going to turn off the camera for a bit while I wait for a decent trade. I'm kind of just talking to myself here. I'm going to blast some music and just wait patiently, play some game or something, and just, yeah, feel free to watch the screen if you want. I know it's a bit delayed. I don't know if I should be using some other software like Twitch or something, but yeah. Alright, so I might look for a buy soon if it breaks this high here. I'm just seeing how price action forms. Looking good if we enter right there. Like, why don't you just enter right now? Is because I want it to prove it to me that I've got an entry there. Bit of a decent double top here on the 5 minute, tell you what. Look at that, bang, bang. You could argue that that's just liquidity and that price is going to take that. Or you could argue that's a double top and we're going down. It all works, right? Double top's not actually a double top until it breaks the neckline, so doesn't mean shit right now until it breaks a slow here. In my opinion, that's my opinion, right? That's my opinion, but yeah. So that's something I'd like to enter. Thinking. No, I don't enter, but sort of this. Fuck, I don't know. Not feeling it yet. Not really feeling it. Just look at I like to look at previous price actions. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, so why choose a 5k account to trade? Basically, it is risk management. So right now I've just, I quit Photon and then I started a new mentorship and then I've done tons of back testing and then now I'm live trading, right? But, well, I'm doing funded account challenges, right? But I want to ease into it. I want to go 5k, 10k, 20k, 50k, 100k, all that. So right now, just want to prove to myself that it's profitable on a 5k account, secure a payout, and then do the same thing with, just keep scaling up from there. But after I get funded and then get a payout, I'm probably going to be pretty aggressive with the challenges. Like I'm probably going to go straight to I might even go straight from, instead of like a 10k account, I might even go 20 or 50. Just because this has just gone so well. But yeah, you're already gone from the chat anyway. Alright guys, so there's another entry here. Reason why I entered is 18,500 handle, spot resistance, VWAP, bullish momentum, structure on the 15 minute. So yeah, I'm not expecting to go and break any highs or anything. I'm expecting a retrace, and I'm hoping obviously I just get my 1-to-1. Like, I'm not expecting it to just go to the moon. I'm just expecting it to hopefully get my 1-to-1. I'm liking how bullish that looks. Just hopefully clip my TP, and we're in business, right? So that's looking bullish. I've got the entry here. You know, I may look for something like that. 1-to-1, yeah, that's below the VWAP. Let's try and make sure we do not have to fight the, oh fuck, we might have to fight the 50 on this leg. But for a seller, what would we be looking for, right? We'd be looking for it to, yeah, look, it hasn't broken this low yet, so I'm not bearish yet. I'm still bullish in the meantime. Things are looking really good. Just up a little bit further, and then we'll get our TP, and then we're laughing. So we've got 50 bucks on the table. Just trust the system, trust the process, let the trade run. Let the trade run. I'm talking to myself right now, right? I'm not talking to you, but I'm just gonna let the trade run. Very nice reaction, but I'm almost tempted to let it run for further and just go break even, but nah. We're hitting the 50, the leg. I may just take it there, folks. Might want to go a little bit higher because it's got this too. If I was a seller, what would I be selling? Maybe around here-ish. I'm not going to let fear step in, even if I lose this trade. But look, I'm 90% there. I'm not going to let fear control me. I'll just let the trade run. Did it. Just going to let the trade run. No fear. Not liking how it's reacting at this 50%. I couldn't put. How are we looking on the 5-minute? Nice bullish reaction on the 5-minute. I guess you could say that that's support resistance right there. I might go break even on that. This momentum is pretty strong. My reaction was strong too. Looking good. If you're not willing to cop a loss, you don't deserve to win. I heard that from a really good trader. I'm happy with that. I'm in this trade risk free. I don't like the momentum towards the downside. That's a good reaction candle right there. If it's not going to hit there, then I'm fine with that. I don't give a fuck. Good. That's good enough for a reaction for me to go break even on that. Normally I don't like to go break even, I just don't like the momentum going down towards the downside. I don't trust it. Like at the moment it's still bullish according to the, the trading. The things that try man's souls. Whoops. Fuck it. Yeah. Fuck it. Break even. So what? So fucking what? I don't give a fuck. I gotta be willing to cop a loss. If I want to win, I gotta be willing to cop a loss. It's either I trust my analysis or I don't. So I just gotta trust it. Beautiful. Fucking beautiful. Come on. A little bit further. Boom. Let's go. Now, how much have we got left to get the funding? Probably like 40 bucks. So four wins in a row. It's fucking pretty good. So just need one more win and then we're laughing. So we just need one more winning trade. Looking good. Beautiful. So yeah, we're looking good, folks. We're on the home stretch now. One more win. One more win and then we're funded, boys and ladies and gentlemen. So we're looking fucking pretty good right now. Pretty much 4 wins in a row. I love having a win streak. Funding pits are gonna hate me. So we just need to make $40 more on the account and then we're fucking laughing. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab a Coke or something. I'll be right back. so I'm looking for a buy here. Reason for that is I'm still, hey mate, yep. So I'm still bullish from the 15 minute. I'm seeing a little double bottom here. I reckon that's going to pop through and hopefully get my last 1%. That's what I'm hoping for. But mind you, I've had 4 wins in a row, right? 4 wins in a row, so I can't expect that I might not lose. But I'm hoping. And we're fucking in, folks. It looked like it popped me in, so good luck to me, I guess. And yeah, I'm probably gonna lose 1%. Right. Not my luck. Because it actually. That's it, mate. That's it. Excuse me. That is working. Okay, there we go. There it is. There it is. There it is, folks. Are we gonna get funded tonight? Is that what's the bets, people? Are we gonna get funded tonight or what? Are we gonna get funded tonight? Let's go. Looking good. Looking good. Solid little up candle and boom, we are done. Looking good. Looking good. Yep, keep singing, mate. You're my good luck charm. All through the town, the wheels on the bus go round and round. Round and round, round and round, the wheels on the bus go round and round. As Daddy makes money, as Daddy passes his funding account challenge. This is looking more and more dire, folks. But we'll see. Alright guys, so news is starting in about... We've got some flash CPI coming out. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. So yeah, I don't know if it's a good idea to enter any trades right now. We'll definitely just wait a moment. And we might even look up Funding Pips news trading rules. Funding Pips news trading. So it looks like I can't place a trade 5 minutes prior to or 5 minutes after. So I'm thinking what I might do is I might cut the live stream off for now. Look, it's been about 2 hours. Kind of sucks that with that